How to apply to Virginia Tech Graduate School. Step-by-step guide for success. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply to Virginia Tech Graduate School. Step 1. Research your program. Visit the official Virginia Tech Graduate School website to explore available graduate programs. Review program-specific admission requirements, example, GRE, GPA, prerequisite courses, etc. Take note of application deadlines. This can vary by program. Step 2. Prepare your application materials. Transcripts. Request official transcripts from all post-secondary institutions you have attended. Test scores. Check if your program requires standardized tests like GRE or TOEFL for international students. Letters of recommendation. Identify and request at least 3 academic or professional references who can provide strong recommendations. Personal statement or statement of purpose. Write a compelling essay outlining your academic goals, research interest, and why you are a good fit for Virginia Tech. Resume or CV. Update your resume or CV to reflect relevant academic, research, and professional experiences. Step 3. Create an application account. Go to the Virginia Tech Graduate School admissions portal. Create an account using your email and personal information. Step 4. Complete the online application. Choose your desired program from the application menu. Enter all required personal information. Upload your application materials, transcripts, personal statement, CV, etc. List the contact information of your recommenders. The system will send them all an email request directly. And before we proceed, in order for your email to be received, is to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 5. Submit test scores. For GRE, TOEFL, or IELTS scores, make sure to send them directly from the testing agency to Virginia Tech's institutional code 5859. Confirm the required test scores for your specific program before submitting. Step 6. Pay the application fee. Pay the non-refundable application fee, $75 for most programs. Fee waivers may be available for eligible applicants. Check Virginia Tech's website for more information. Step 7. Submit your application. Double-check that all sections of the application are completed. Once satisfied, submit your application before the program's deadline. Step 8. Monitor your application status. Log into your account to check for any updates or additional requirements. Respond promptly to any requests from the admissions office for further documentation. Step 9. Prepare for interviews if required. Some programs may require an interview as part of the selection process. If invited, prepare thoroughly by reviewing your application and researching faculty members in your field. Step 10. Await the decision. Admission decisions will be communicated via email or through your application portal. Typically, decisions are made within a few months of the application deadline. And there you have it, your guide to applying to Virginia Tech Graduate School. I believe in you. And remember, this is just the beginning of an incredible journey. Don't be afraid to dream big, take that leap, and invest in your future. You have the power to create your own success story. Magic happens when you take action toward your dreams. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share it with anyone who needs a little inspiration. You got this. See you in the next one.